Hello everyone, my name is Neha Bhardwaj. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel Speaking Zone. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about if I don't have enough time. So, what should we do? Friends, this is a very common problem. Each and every learner they are facing this problem a lot. They have two main problems. The one problem is they don't have any time. So how can they practice speaking English? And the second problem is um, they have no any partner. They don't have any partner, so how can they practice English? They are two face problem facing each or every learner a lot. So in this video I'm going to talk about this problem, and I will give you a solution. Yeah, if you want to know about the solution, so please watch my video till end. So friends, without further delay, let's get into the video. Friends, the first problem is I don't have any enough time for learning English. So what should we do in this situation? Friends, I'm telling you one thing. Everyone have it only 24 hours. If I'm talking about a successful person, they work a lot in their life. So they have also a 24 hours, and you have also a 24 hours. But if you are saying again and again, you are thinking, I have don't any enough time, so how can I practice? So you are giving the excuses. If you are keen to, you are really curious to, you are a hunger to learn this language, so you have to give some time for your study, for your learning English, because every person have a 24 hour, and you can take some time from these 24 hours. For example, if you really want to learn English, so listening and speaking is the most important part. Reading and writing is also important, but apart from you have want to you have to speak it. You have to practice it, listening and the speaking. If you are doing something, if you are a housewife, if you are a working woman, and you are doing a job, so when you are going to by bus, yeah, by your vehicle, so put the headphone in your earphone in your ear, and listening, you can listen it. And if you are doing a house chores work, and you can listening only, so it is enough. If you are listening in half hour in a daily basis, so according to me it is enough for you, and you can take half hour easily, and it's not a big deal. If you really do learn English, so your hard working is very necessary. If you are not doing hard work, you are not passionate, so it is not possible. How can you learn English? And when you are going somewhere and you are doing anything, so only think about it. If you are thinking in English, yes, what did I did yesterday, and what I have to do in tomorrow, and what I did in today. So this type of thinking, try to speak it in English. So definitely you will speak perfectly, and one day you will be as like a native speaker. Friends, what is the problem arise in our nature and are surround, because we are in a 24 hours in a native language. If we have don't any environment, if we have provide any environment of English language, so definitely within a 1 week we can learn English and speak it well. But our environment is a only native language, just like as Gujarati, Punjabi, and most of the people live in the environment of Hindi. So Hindi is their mother tongue, and they speak well in Hindi language, but they do not speak in English, so that's why they are not perfect in English language. So this is the main problem. If you want to really create the environment by yourself, the first thing is, friends, you have to create your own environment. Without creating your own environment, you cannot learn English, because I don't have any environment. But I try to speak it a lot. I create my own environment. I teach to my students. So I teach to them only in some English sentences. They I teach to the small childs, first standard and second standard. They don't know about more English grammar and anything. But when I teach to them some sentences, so they catch it. So you can easily create the environment to yourself. It is depend only for you. I'm from village also, and there is no environment here, so it doesn't matter for me. I have to create my own environment. And if you don't have any partner, so many apps available, speaking apps available on the Play Store. You can download it. I also use one app, and most of the time whenever I get time, so I try to speak it with a stranger person. With While using this app, we can create the confidence very easily, and we can talk without pay any fees. With a single rupees, we can talk very easily. It is the benefitable thing. If you really, and you can create the environment surrounds you. So it is very important, but you are keen to learn this language, so your ways will be clear. But if you don't want to learn English, so you give the excuses to yourself. Depends on you. What do you want to your life? If you want to your life a successful life, so you have to work on it. You have to put the efforts. I already put the efforts to learn this language, and I'm learning also, and we are a learner. No one is perfect in the world in English language. If anyone says that I'm perfect in English language, so I think no one is perfect. Everyone is a learner. We are all a learners. I'm already a learner, so I'm learning English. So you should try to this type of thinking. If you don't have any time, so little bit take time. In whole days, a little bit take time. But the must needed is you have to listening a lot and speaking little bit in a daily basis is a very compulsory. You have to must try this, and definitely you will be going to a fluent speaker. So friends, if you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.